Boulevard Rippy over here at Clark County Fairgrounds, Springfield, Ohio, checking out the motorcycle swap meet. So we have a Ford Harley Davidson truck here. 105 years to 2005. So they milked that 100th anniversary for all it was worth, didn't they? It's a pretty sexy truck too. Let's check out some leathers over here. This guy's cruising. Have nice smooth pavement here. So it's 10 o'clock in the morning Sunday. $10 a piece on the mats. Wisconsin. So yeah, if you have a Harley, I think you have about 3 or 4 seats for your bike and 2 sets of bags, and I don't know. Excuse me. All kinds of dresser accessories here. So everything's in nice shape too.
Tom, this spot is not marked.
Brand new helmets. Check out the custom paint job on this pickup. You never met a motherfucker quite like me. That's what it says. Yeah, I'm recording. Be on YouTube, Rippy. I go by Rippy on YouTube. Might take me a month to get it on there, but he said we just don't like being recorded. That's I'm friends with the Avengers, so. You guys know me, that's a cop car right there, isn't it? Or a wannabe cop. Police right there. I'm over at Hillsboro. That's pretty neat. That's one of their friends in there. That's a lot of the bikers, when you see them, they're missing a leg or something. You wonder. I didn't pay $10, you know. We're done with that. I'm done with them, guys. They're probably pretty cool, I don't know. A little unicycle here. Golf cart charger. And more, this is kind of on a kid's scale over here. That's what this guy, he just left them on the trailer. That's kind of what you want to do. You just load them up, bring them in. But he pulled a few of them off here at 10 in the morning. And that one might be sold even. A race bike. Triumph Daytona. You know, this was like a Gixxter, but this is a $1,200 bike, but a chain drive stunt bike. It's got the pegs back here. No, it's just kind of mocked up. The wheel isn't even connected for $1,200. But these were the trail makers that we used to have back in the day, the 90 TM with the fat tire. And they were usually blue. But this is one too, would you put gas in it under the seat? Different looking wheels than I remember. Maybe they came back and built them again. I don't know.
First day was a Friday? Thursday? Think about it, yeah.
That looks pretty capable right there. With the electric start even. Pretty heavy engine though, huh? Plenty of gas to get you up through Alaska. But this one caught my eye. Everyone had one of those. And yeah, it was more rare to have one. I like them Chevron tires on that. Yeah, the bike that they sold them by the millions, man. During the street bike wars. He's got 1800 on it. You think it was 800, but they're 18 on these. These guys know their stuff. It's just it's got 16,000 on the clock, but you can put them wherever you want. Yeah, I don't know. After riding the newer stuff though, I just been there and done that. Oklahoma bike and 1400 on that, so that one's almost worth as much as the 1,000. And yeah, beautiful Sunday morning here, Clark County Fairgrounds, Beauregard Rippy. Thanks for watching.